say anything more than thank you. When we started Honor here in the Philippines, honestly, me personally, I started a 5-year plan. Then, now going to the 3rd year, I'm proud to say na last times 5 namin yung 3-year plan namin. And it's because of your help. It's kung sino man yung tumulong sa amin, which is everyone is here. Very thankful kasi we could have done this without you guys. Kasi very thankful that you guys helped us out. At the beginning, nung maliit pa lang si Honor, we were just asking you, begging you to help us, whatever. You never hesitated to help us. That's the reason why we did this Christmas party, this Thanksgiving. Kasi, again,